This video will demonstrate the integration between Perfecto and Katalon Studio. To start, in your Katalon Studio, navigate to the View Plugin Store. Under the Katalon Plugin Store, navigate and find Perfecto plugin. Select the Perfecto plugin and install it to your IDE. Once installed to your IDE, reload your plugins. This will apply the Perfecto integration. Navigate to your project settings, and you should see under Project Integration, Perfecto plugin is available. In here, you'll see there are quite a few fields. The fields marked with asterisks are the required mandatory fields. Go ahead and fill in your configuration name, cloud ID, enter a security token. Security token could be found in your Perfecto portal. Once that is complete, specify platform version and also a device name if applicable. Make sure to click Generate Perfecto Custom Profile. Once complete, under the Test Explorer, under Profiles, double-click on the default profile. You'll see there are quite a few mandatory fields we have to fill in. Test case context, project name, project version, job name, job number, and also reporting M client. Here is an example Perfecto test case. This test case will navigate to perfecto.io and perform some simple navigation. We have also populated a few test suites. Under test suites, here are two examples of Perfecto execution, both executing the same test case. We have also created a collection where you can execute multiple test suites in parallel or sequentially. In this case, we have selected the same test and executing this under an Android platform and also an iPhone. You'll see that we have selected to execute this in parallel using two devices. To view the live execution, navigate to the Perfecto portal. Under Test Analysis, navigate to a Livestream view, and in this case, you will see the parallel execution across an Android device and an iOS device. Once complete, we can navigate over to the Report Library view. In this case, you'll see all the executions that have been kicked off via Katalon Studio. Clicking onto the individual link will bring you the detailed report, including the step-by-step Selenium logs. We also provide a reason for failure, in this case we are missing an element, and also a stack trace, which provides a detailed information of why it failed. Finally, by clicking on the recorder button, we're able to replay the script. This summarizes a basic Katalon Studio and Perfecto integration. Thank you for watching.